Hello, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy Wall Street Games token on Trustwallet. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel because we need to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. So please subscribe our channel if you like crypto and if you like this video. So let's move to our topic. I want to tell you guys that I'm not financial advisor. It's just video tutorial how to buy it. So go to CoinMarketCap. Click the search bar and type Wall Street Games. Open this new token. Check the analytics and decide you want to buy or not. After you make the decision, then close CoinMarketCap. And now we need to open Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, download it from Google Play or App Store and then go through verification. After you go through verification, then open Trustwallet. And now you need to buy BNB, because to buy Wall Street Games token you need to swap your BNB. So go to BNB and buy it on Trustwallet by clicking the buy, choose the amount of money you want to pay and then buy it on Trustwallet, but you can receive it from any other crypto market. So after you buy BNB, then you need to go back to CoinMarketCap and then you should copy the contract address by clicking the copy icon. Then go back to Trustwallet, click the apps, choose Pancakeswap. Don't forget to connect your Trustwallet account by clicking the connect button in the top right corner and choose Trustwallet, then click select currency, paste the contract address we copied few seconds ago and import this new token here. Then choose the amount of Wall Street Games token and then swap your BNB to it. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe because we need to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. Thank you.